Alright, good morning, boys and girls. Good morning. We're going to start off today with Group Unstoppable. Group key, turn your math books to page 275. And let's look at number 1 on page 275. Now, number 1 wants us to write the before and after numbers by 2. Now, we've been working with this typical problem for a while now, so it should get a little bit easier. So let's start with the first problem that they do give us, 96. Now, we're trying to find the before number by 2 for 96. Now, let's see. 90, I'm looking for, is it 95? No, it's not 95, that's by 1. Trying to find by 2. 94. So we have 94, 96, and 98. Next, let's look at the next number, 224. What number comes before 224? By 2. Now, it's a little hint to try to guide us. Look at the number in the ones place right here. That's like your guide, like we just for 96. The number in the ones place. So, notice, by 2's. 220, 222, 222, 224, 226. Let's work on one more example. So the number we have here is 110. 110, we're trying to find what comes before 110 by 2's. Which will be the first number? 108. Right, so what's after? 108, 110, 112. 112. So that's how you solve number 1. Now let's take a step to look at number 2. Number 2 wants us to set the minute hand. Of course, the time given to us is 4:15. So the hour hand is at 4. Now the minute hand has to be at 15. At 15. Remember, we always talk at the number 1 and count by 5s until you get to 15. So 5, 10, 15. 15 is at 3. So you draw the hand to 3, to number 3. And that will make it 4:15. Let's work on another time together. The next time, for example, is given to us is 12:05. So notice the hour hand is at 12. Now we're trying to figure out the minute hand. What number will we stop at for 5? So remember, we'll always start at number 1 and count by 5s. 5. Notice we're looking for 12:05. And the first number we start at 1 is 5. So we'll draw that minute hand to 5. That's how you work with number 2. As we look at number 3, we have to mark the bubble under the correct answer. So the two numbers that they do give us is 127 and 174. 127 and 174. So is 127, is that greater than or less than 174? Look at that 127. It is less than, so you will bubble in that number. Okay? And let's look at number 4. Number 4 wants you to write the sums or differences. So make sure you take the time for each problem, whether it's an addition problem or a subtraction problem. Now, for example, on the board, which of course is an addition problem, 36 plus 14. So let's get ready to get started. Remember, 6 plus 4, start in ones place. What is 6 plus 4? That is 10. And 1 goes there. Now what's 3 plus 1? That is 4. And what's 4 plus 1? That is 50. So 36 plus 14 is 50. Now as we flip the page over to 276, all we have to do is write the sums of differences, and then you're going to use the color key for the picture, to color the picture. For example, 6 is brown, the number 7 is gray, 8 is blue, 11 is yellow, and 12 is red. So once you solve those problems and once you get your answers, you get a chance to color the picture.